现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, we're going to teach you a phrase that's called hurry up. 快一点。OK， 就是快一点的意思。有很多状况，什么时候要说快一点呢？通常可能是很急死要办什么事情了。不过呢，有的时候觉得说夏天赶快来也不错。
对，冬天赶快走。
对，天气好冷哦，然后希望夏天赶快来。
是啊。
So there are a lot of ways to, of course, give you examples on how to use hurry up. But how about let's put one where we're hoping that the good weather, hot weather will come. We hope that summer comes soon. All right, so let's hear this conversation.
天時係寒咯，
係啊，我都冇想要出門。
請希望熱天夾地位到。
熱天要夾掉哦，
就是夏天。
沒錯，熱天 that means summertime. We hope that summertime comes soon. All right. 所以第一句是天氣好冷，對不對？
天時寒寒哦。
天時寒寒哦，寒寒就很冷，寒 is cold. 寒寒 is very cold. Okay, the weather is very cold. 然後那個人回答說，對啊，
對啊，我都冇想要出門。
就我都不想出門 ，right？
懶洋洋的不想出門，太冷了。
Right, I want to stay in bed. 不想出門，還想待在床上。對啊，我都不想出門。
係啊，我都冇想愛。
我都冇想愛
出門。我都冇想愛出門。
出門 again is to go out， 都不想。
都冇想愛。
OK， 都不想出門了。然後就是真希望夏天快一點來。
請希望熱天夾地位到。
Okay, 熱天 again is summertime. 夾地位 is the phrase we're teaching you this whole month. Hurry up and come. Really hope so, all right? Well, it's time to review some of these phrases. 所以我們來複習幾個單字咯。
Okay.
包括好冷 very cold.
寒寒哦。
Okay, that means very cold. To go out 出門。And then summertime 夏天。熱天。那冬天叫做寒天。Okay, that's winter time, just so you know. All right, let's listen to this conversation again.
天時係寒咯，
係啊，我都冇想要出門。
請希望熱天夾地位到。
天氣涼的時候，其實還是要加一件外套，對不對？不過等夏天到了，我們就可以好好享受陽光。All right, that does today's Conversational Hakka.
是母太家。
男子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.